got some electric muscle stimulation on my chest and on my SEM sternocleidomastoid muscles because of my own personal movement patterns and insufficiencies. This is what I'm drilling today, but I'm recording this, I'm having to record this next bit because before she came down, I was hit by the importance of my morning routine. It is something that needs to be constant, permanent, and uninterrupted, and I don't know if it takes 5 minutes or an hour, but sometimes it might include muscle stimulation with electricity and myofascial release and breath work, meditation. But there's classical music playing, it's early in the morning, and I'm in training myself. Early morning to have a successful day. I've noticed how much of a hindrance it is not doing that. And it's something that I cannot interrupt because it causes me to go into my loop. Whatever my loop happens to be, and there's lots of them, I'll go into it much easier if I don't apply the brakes in the form of that personal AM sadhana. And then you came down and you told me what I consider to be great news. And because I had already been down here doing this for a while, I had enough to give for that to be a good moment, like a good growing moment for the both of us. There was no anger or jealousy or negative emotions of any kind as a result of these great news. Yeah, if you're getting it shaking like hammer, it's about to make it twitch. Oh. But there's electrodes on my chest and on the sternocleidomastoid, and it's
hard to see the ball under your head. Your hair covers it.
Yeah, when I turn it a little bit.
Yeah. There it is. Just has some poofy curly hair. But he knows how to self-soothe in the morning to set him for successful, happy days.
It's very important. And I don't always know how to do it anyways.
But you want to, your body needs it.
Yeah.
And if you don't, it feels like it missed something, got off track.
And I like to say that since I'm human, I'd like to extend this to all of humanity. Like, I think all humans, like when I get hungry, I'm pretty sure you, another human, also feels hungry, right? Like, all my friends seem to suffer from this thing called hunger. And it strikes them all at the same particular time, in fact. You know, if we're engaging in some physical activity for a couple of hours, we all magically get simultaneously hungry. I believe that when we wake up, we all magically have this inclination, doesn't matter how deep you've buried it, by not doing it, right? But we all have it. Like, you have it, I have it. And I was also thinking about that, how important it is for my partner to align with that, right? Because if she doesn't, then it's an interruption, and it's too difficult to sustain, I guess, right? And so you want to set up your partnership with anybody so that it doesn't throw you into the loop. And like I said, I've realized, and today I'm remembering, that my AM sadhana is crucial for me not backtracking into a self-perpetuating negative feedback loop. Self-perpetuating. Sorry, the freaking thing was going. Anything else, Anna?
I think that's all.
You got a nice way of wrapping up my thoughts.
I think it's just important that we can each have our own different morning practice, morning sadhana, morning way to self-soothe, reconnect back, but especially with relationships, partnerships, it's essential to allow each other to do their routine, but also if we can blend it together in a way where we're not feeling like we're missing something that we really love to do, or giving the other person the space to still be able to do that. Because we wouldn't want our partner to miss out this
It's not
really
sacrifice.
important
We want them to
time
make
for them.
For sure.